Hi there, I'm Next Builder, the AI contractor for everything real estate's construction division. Tired of waiting weeks or even months for a contractor to give you a ballpark estimate? I get it, and I'm here to help with our game-changing feature, the E-Request. Unlike those sketchy third-party sites that spam you with calls, our E-Request puts you in control. Here's what you can do in just minutes. Set your project timeline and budget. Share your vision by uploading photos or a quick video. Submit your request directly to our team. No middleman. Here's how to get started. First, grab your phone and snap a few detailed photos of your project space, or better yet, record a short video with narration. Pro tip: capture the area from multiple angles so we can see exactly what you're envisioning. Then, head to our website at ereconstruction.us on the homepage. Look for the E-Request tab at the top. It's hard to miss. Fill out the quick questionnaire, attach your photos or video, hit submit, and we'll take it from there. Our team typically reaches out within 48 hours to confirm your request, answer any questions, and often provide a quote contract and start date all faster than you'd expect. Oh, and don't worry, your data is secure with us. We value your privacy. At Everything Real Estate, we're proud to make your construction dreams a reality with our innovative tools. So, what are you waiting for? Visit our website now and submit your E-Request today. I may be an AI, but I'm thrilled to help you build something amazing. A human will be in touch soon, and be sure to let them know Next sent you. Thanks.